Good evening, everyone. We are happy to know that GIET University is going to organize one LEARNATHON 5.0, the second edition of LEARNATHON, scheduled on 27th, 28th, 29th and 30th of this month. We have seen students have a lot of enthusiasm to register for this hackathon, ready to just face the problem statements of cyber security, blockchain technology, health sciences, biotechnology and interdisciplinary, almost all automation, robotics and a lot of innovation also they are planning to do it. And we expect that more than 150 teams are going to participate in this event, and we have planned to invite the judges from industry so that the real talent will be taken out during the 3 days of program. So we have planned to just encourage all the students batch wise from 27th one batch, 28th another batch and 29th is another batch, like that. So 3 batches of students will be exposed to the industry people and they will adjust the talent of the students, and we expect that a lot of innovation will be coming out in the 4-day hackathon which is going to be held in the last week of August. So I wish all the participants and the faculty mentors, the industry people, the very best, and best wishes to all the students, particularly those who are going to register and participate in this event. I expect the students should show their hidden talents during this time. This is the right platform to just showcase their talent. And nowadays you know very well that simple graduation will not be helpful for the students to either for innovation or for placements or for startups. So they should have the project-based learning as well as the skill certifications and innovative ideas and problem-solving skills they should have. So I expect that the students, majority of the students will be coming out of these problems, and expect it will be a grand success. I wish all the participants, the student volunteers, faculty mentors, everyone a great event ahead.
Good evening all. Myself K. Murli Gopal, Principal SOET. I thank the organizing team of LEARNATHON 5.0 for making the ideas to work, and this LEARNATHON basically improves the classroom learning to the physical participation and creating the prototypes in the real world. And now I can say the learning outcomes of a LEARNATHON basically doesn't depend on the winning of the LEARNATHON. It is a way to know the real life implementation and interacting with the evaluators who are mostly from industry perspective. They are from industry persons. They can interact and they can give better ideas. So this is a platform where the young mind ideas can be converted to a real prototype and can be used in the societal improvement. And in this LEARNATHON 5.0 we come up with 18 different problem statements from almost all the department, and each problem area is having 3 statements. So I welcome all, and we will meet again on the day of LEARNATHON. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. B.K. Tripathi, the Pro Vice Chancellor of Student of Computational Sciences of GIET University, Gunupur, Odisha, India. We are thrilled to announce LEARNATHON 5.0 happening from 27th to 30th of August 2026. This 4-day innovation marathon is designed to unlock the future where students will learn, build and innovate domains like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, cloud computing, blockchain, quantum computing, robotics, AR, VR and Industry 5.0. It is not just about coding, it is about shaping tomorrow. Let us learn to hack and hack to plan. We see you at LEARNATHON 5.0 where ideas may depend.
Good morning. Myself, Dr. K. Krishna, Head of the Department, CSC, AML, Data Science and Cyber Security. Welcome to LEARNATHON 5.0. We are organizing LEARNATHON from August 27 to 30th August. There are more than 600 participants. They have ready to showcase their skills. We are having 15 plus domains to enhance the students' skills. We are having 2 lakhs prize pool for the winners also.
This is Dr. Sivaprasad Patra, Assistant Professor in the Department of CSE HOD, CSE. Get ready to learn, build and innovate. LEARNATHON 5.0 launching at GIET University. This is a university wide call to action. All departments, circuit, core branches, MBA, MCA, agriculture, all branches, all batches are eligible. We are looking for K2 problem solver in AI, IoT and cybersecurity. Register now. All the best.